When I think of a ghost and what I think he sounds like, maybe like the wind howling a little bit. Can you hear that? I think it's like, woo! Definitely the ghost.
What do I think a ghost sounds like? Oh, I'm coming to get you. Something like that, I would say.
Silent. Does a ghost make noise? No voice box, right? I don't know. I think maybe some woo at the most, but is that the wind or is that the ghost?
I think a ghost might sound like sneaky. You know, he might creep up on you and don't make a sound. That's the scary part about it.
I don't know, a ghost? Boo.